Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Yukon XL. Stock number is A7550. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. Front parking sensors are going to keep you very safe. A look down the passenger side. You do have alloy wheels. Those are 22-inch alloy wheels wrapped with Pirelli Scorpion tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating. Your bucket seats are heated seats. You do have dual rear-facing entertainment centers. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. Taking a look inside of the hatch now. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist liftgate, so it's simply the press of that button, hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. You have four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touch screen that includes your stereo as well as your navigation. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Yukon on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.